All right, guys, I know I've done a lot of videos today, but I really needed to get on and show you something that I figured out that's super cool. One thing that I've been struggling with is how Google Classroom has a lot of text for little people to read. And so if you're thinking about kindergarten and first grade and even second graders using Google Classroom, it can be a little bit intimidating because the kids can't read the words for the directions. And so it's hard. So I was trying to think about, okay, is there a way that we can do some audio directions in Google Classroom to help students access the assignments? So there is a way to do it, and I'm super excited. I was helping another teacher with something else, and I thought, I wonder if that would work in Google Classroom for directions, and it will. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is install an audio recorder in your Google extension in your Google Chrome. Oh my goodness. Okay, so an audio recorder Google extension. Okay, so if you search for audio recorder Chrome extension, what you'll see is I just chose this first one. It works beautifully. You would install the extension here, but since I already have it installed, this particular one shows up in the apps instead of on the little bar at the top. So I would click apps, and then I would click on the audio recorder. So it opens to my Google Classroom page right here. I've started an assignment where I want the students to write about their favorite animal. So please tell me what your favorite animal is and why you like that animal. So what I want to do is record an audio version of these directions. So I click on the microphone. Please tell me what your favorite animal is and why you like that animal. Make sure you turn in your writing when you're done. So now it's recorded my audio, and I click this download button and it will download at the bottom of my Google Chrome window. So if I go back to my Google Drive and I take this audio recording right here and I drag it up and drop it into my drive, it will show up in a second. Here is my recording 009. You can see that that's what it was saved at. So what I'm going to do, I need to move my head. I'm going to right click and rename this audio for okay. Okay, favorite animal writing directions. And then I click OK. All right. And the next thing I need to do is make sure that my students can access it no matter what. So with this audio file, I'm going to click on share and I need to change the permissions. So down here at the bottom, instead of it being restricted, I need it to be anyone with the link can view this file. Super important step. Otherwise, people will be asking you over and over and over if they can view your file. So I click on done. So all of that is ready. Then if I go back to my assignment here, move my face back over here. Here's the beginning of my assignment. Okay, I'm going to add a file from my Google Drive and I'm going to find that audio recording. It should be the last one because I just did it. I click on that and I click insert. So here's my audio file. And then for this one, I am going to have the students write in Google Classroom in a Google document instead of writing on a piece of paper. So if you want to have them write on a piece of paper and then take a picture of it, then there's another video that shows you how to do that, which is super exciting. So go find that video. But this one, we're just going to create a blank Google Doc for the students to do their writing in. So you might want to name it for the assignment. So we have So I name my document, and then I'm just going to leave it blank because the students are going to be the ones writing in it. So I can leave this window, come back here, and you can see I have two attachments, one for my audio file and one for the Google Doc. Okay, now I want to assign it to all students. It's going to be ungraded. I want to make it due. I'm going to make it due tomorrow. I am going to add it into my writing topic on my Google Classroom so my kids can find it. And once all of that is done, I'm going to click, oh, I forgot. We need to click here where students can view the file. I don't want them to view it. I don't also want them to edit it because then everybody's writing in the same file. You need to make a copy for each student for this. So they'll need to make a copy. Oh, I almost missed that. Anyway, now we're going to assign the assignment. So you click assign, and now my assignment has been assigned to my class, favorite animal writing, due September 5th. So now I have actually added my son, he's an adult, to my Google Classroom, but he's kind of my guinea pig. This is what his Google Classroom looks like in my test class. So he would go to classwork and click on writing, which happens to be on top. And here we have favorite animal writing. So when he clicks on that, he sees my written directions, but he also sees the audio file and he sees the Google Doc. So if he clicks on the audio file, he can hear my audio directions. Then after he's done listening to my audio directions, he can click back, click on the Google Doc assignment. Here's his animal writing for September 5th. He does his work there. And then when he's finished with his writing, he can turn it in. So he views assignment and he can turn it in on this window right here. So I just wanted to share with you that it is possible to add audio directions to your Google assignments so that kids can have them, parents can have them. I'm super excited about this for our youngest kids, and I hope you found this helpful.